But let's move on to a staple in Roseville that's celebrating 30 years in the carb business. The St. Paul Bagelry, which just happens to be located in the town next door. Don't overthink it, just go with it. It just underwent a huge remodel. I love their bagels.
Look at that place. So if you haven't been in a while, you may remember it like this. Today, it's bigger, it's brighter.
Wow.
But the bagels people lined up for have not changed at all. So Kelli takes us inside this good company.
Peggy, you have owned the St. Paul Bagelry for many years, right? Tell me about that. How long have you had this?
18 years next week. 18 years.
I got Jimmy here. Jimmy's gonna make some bagels.
I'm gonna make some everything bagels because we ran out. Of course, we ran out on the day you guys were coming.
Well, and they're my favorite, so I feel like the real reason is because they're my favorite.
Yeah, I feel forced.
You got into this not knowing how to do bagels at all?
Completely. Yep, we did. It was existing. It actually opened in 1993.
So our everything bagels are just plain bagels with all the toppings.
Got it.
Sesame, poppy, garlic, onion,
With everything.
and salt.
Right.
You just toss them right in the boiler. Don't have to be pretty about it.
So the water is real hot.
Water is boiling.
How long are they in the boiler?
Well, I'm gonna keep them in for like 2 minutes, maybe 1 today. It depends on how hot the water is. It depends on what time of year it is. If it's like July and it's just really humid in here, you can basically dunk them and pull them out. And you can tell the ones that are down on the bottom there, they're not ready. Basically, once they rise out of the water, they're ready to go.
You had to learn, though, how to do everything before you hired anyone, right?
Well, we were lucky enough to keep about 6 employees and knew we had to learn everything. So I started with learning how to make the bagels. First week, it was learning to make the bagels while you opened the register in the morning. It was just a tiny little operation at the time, and it grew and grew.
How many bagels are you doing a day?
We do about 3,000 bagels a day,
Wow.
every night, give or take. And it's a hot job, as you can tell, it gets hot in here. So we're doing, you know, small batches, 45 at a time at the most. So you're constantly moving.
You've got an amazing staff who have worked for you for many, many years, and that they're like machines back there.
Yes.
They just know how to do it.
They've got the process down. The quality's excellent, but they just are so attached to the people that they're attached to the bagel.
Once this thing is full, it's like you're pulling, you're pushing, you're going until it's all over.
Okay.
So this is just a small amount,
I'll
so
let
we're
you.
good.
Look, I put an apron on like I was going to actually work. It's just for show.
Some places only do topping on the top. I think that's one of our claims to fame is we don't skip on the seeds.
You're doing a double dunk.
Yep, so we go top, then bottom, flip them over.
Because when you take a bite of a everything bagel like a sandwich, you want the yummy bits to be on the top
That's what I think.
and on the bottom. Something really great about your spot is the music that you play is all played off of a record, which you never see anymore.
Right.
That's always been how it's done.
Bought it existing, so everything was kind of set. And my son was a huge collector of albums, so they wanted to make some of it their own and started naming the sandwiches off of musicians. Our Al Green sandwich, they're all kind of have a play on the musician. It's all the veggies with an egg. We have a MacGyver because he went to school at Roseville High School.
It's like a little oven elevator.
We've got 6 different shelves that hold 45 bagels each. So when it gets full, it gets pretty intense.
I outed myself that I used to eat a couple bagels a day when I was pregnant.
Yep.
Are you eating a bagel every day?
Not every day, but oh, do I have my favorites and then I have to have them. So if you love an everything bagel, do you love sweet and salty?
Yeah. I sure do.
Toast an everything bagel and put honey walnut on it, change your life. So good.
Change my life.
So
Okay,
good.
I'm on board. I know that everything is my favorite. What do you think your favorite might be?
Mine changes a lot. I've been doing this for a lot of years. Right now, I'd say it's the jalapeno cheese.
It's so good.
But I love the everythings too. I love the Asiago cheese. If I'm feeling sweet, I'm a blueberry kind of guy.
Are you a sandwich guy,
I'm
or
a
are you just a
sandwich guy.
bagel
A
with cream
breakfast
cheese?
sandwich guy. Egg, sausage, cheese, American, boom.
This is the everything with honey walnut cream cheese. This is what Peggy said would change my life.
How'd you take your coffee in the morning? Do you like to temper it with some sugar? Do you pour some cloudy milk in this?
It is life-changing, but eating this and listening to Al Green, it's a total vibe. I'm down for it.
I like it dark, I like it hot, like it's gonna kick back.
I am owning this. Oh, that's really good. You can make out with this? I can make out with it.
It's gonna kick back.
I need a napkin.
I like it hot, like
Yeah,
it's gonna kick back.
That sexy scene with Kelly
Kelli.
and that bagel. I mean, we are sweating in here.
I know that was
something.
such a good little montage, a little slow down with the music, and then she got the cream cheese
The
hanging out of her
really
mouth.
tight shots. That was very good.
You're funny.
When Kelly was pregnant with Quinn, she would eat bagels every single day. That was all. And
That's her
when
thing,
I
huh?
was pregnant with Bernie, I would do secret bagels. I would eat breakfast and then I would go and get a bagel and eat it and not tell anyone until later, like a couple months later, I was like, guys, I have to tell you something. I've been eating secret bagels every day for the last 2 months.
That was actually kind of the nice thing.
Steve
as-
and Kelly
as-
were like, what?
As the husband in these situations, when Abby would have her cravings, like whatever she didn't eat, I was like, I was the cleanup crew.
Cleanup crew.
And I loved it.
Yeah,
it was
that's
great.
really good. You got to go to St. Paul Bagelry. I want to try that Everything Bagel with the Honey Walnut Cream
Yeah.
Cheese. They have 2 locations. You can get those New York style bagels in Roseville and Minneapolis. St. Paul Bagelry in Roseville and Minneapolis. Details are on TwinCitiesLive.com.